What's up, y'all? So have you ever wondered how many clothes you actually own? This is a question that's been on top of my mind for a very long time, especially since I've started my sustainability journey and I've been traveling a lot more, and I've always wanted to achieve the backpacker's dream of being able to fit all of the clothes that you need in a backpack. For a very long time, I've been feeling like my entire closet is completely cluttered, and as we move into 2024, one of my biggest goals is to declutter, minimalize as much as I can, and be able to live a life on the road. So that's today's video. We're gonna be decluttering my wardrobe, and we're gonna see exactly what is the best process of being able to cut through the clutter, to figure out what you actually need, and be able to choose a wardrobe that really reflects you, is intentional to who you are as a being, and something that makes you really feel happy. I should have probably done that little intro scene after I've already counted, but let's just quickly go through my wardrobe and just see how many clothes I actually have. All right, 1, 2, 3, 29, 30, 31.
1 hour later.
123, 124. Alright guys, so we've just reached 124 pieces of clothes that's currently lying around, and that comes as a huge shocker because I haven't even finished counting my Indian clothes or my suits and some of the other formal wear that I actually have. So I'm just gonna approximate everything to be around 150. And that is a huge number because despite having 150, I don't know if you guys have felt this before, but sometimes it really feels like there's absolutely nothing to wear. That is the problem that we kind of face today. Despite us having so many choices, we're holding on to clothes that don't really serve us a purpose. And so in today's world where we're surrounded by fast fashion brands and discounts and impulsive buying, what happens is when we only wear 20 pieces of clothes when you actually got 150 lying around, you tend to feel like every sale that you see really attracts you because you feel like there's something more that you need because you're still not truly satisfied with the clothes you have. And so after doing a little bit of research and talking to some of my friends, I've been able to put together a small, simple little framework that's gonna help you declutter your wardrobe. So I've currently just made 3 piles on my bed. We've got the giveaway pile, we've got the keep pile, and we've got the altar pile. You could do this in boxes or baskets or however you want. I'm just gonna make a few piles on the bed and we're gonna take it from there. So the first question you wanna ask yourself, have you worn this piece of clothing over the past year? If the answer is no, you gotta ask yourself again, is it because you don't like it? And if that answer is yes, then you should probably put that in the giveaway pile. But if the answer is because it doesn't fit well for whatever reason, then you should probably put that in the alteration pile, because honestly, you would be surprised how much a simple alteration could turn something that you'd probably never wear into a wardrobe staple. The second question you wanna ask yourself is, if you have worn it in the past year, when you wear it, do you actually like it? If no, then that should head to the giveaway pile. If yes, then you know exactly where it goes, in the pile to keep. And if you still can't make a decision with those 2 questions, then it ultimately comes down to this one question. Question number 3, does this piece of clothing bring you joy? And this is a very important piece, because if that piece of clothing isn't actually making you feel happy or making you feel better about yourself, then it has no place in your wardrobe. So probably put that away in the giveaway pile, and that's how you could probably make your decisions. So with that being said, it's time to go declutter my wardrobe. Let's get into it. Wow, so it's really crazy how much I feel like I've actually kind of grown, because this used to be loose on me and I haven't worn this in over a year. And it's definitely very tight, so I don't know if I'm supposed to keep this or not, but I think I might give it away. This still has a tag on it, but I haven't worn this in like 2-3 years. Honestly, I have no idea why, because it looks pretty good. A lot of dust because of the clothes. Alright guys, so we have just finished the first round of decluttering my entire wardrobe, and it feels pretty nice to have everything in there out on my bed. This is the pile of giveaway. I've actually created a 4th pile there in the middle, which is the clothes that I am a little bit unsure about. So I'm gonna do like a second round of kind of just going through everything and seeing if I really want it or not. that is my alteration pile over there, and these are the clothes that I'm going to keep. So if you can see, like the ones that I want to give away and keep, it's almost like 50-50. So I have reduced my cupboard by about 50% already. This is drastic. I'm really excited to get all the clothes back in my cupboard and just see what my cupboard actually looks like. And I hope you guys are able to do this as well. I think it's very important for all of us to, you know, periodically keep on decluttering your room, decluttering your space. And second thing I've realized is when you actually do this, you start to realize the gaps that you have in your wardrobe. So because I've decluttered, I know exactly what's kind of missing. So when I go shopping next, I know exactly what to get basis what I actually need. And I don't end up impulsively spending or impulsively buying things that just ends up collecting in my cupboard and never being put on. Alright guys, and we have just finished minimalizing my cupboard. I think I've almost cut out about 50% of what I previously had in my closet. So right here is the entire giveaway pile. It's like about 50 pieces of clothes. That's the alteration pile. I've got about 3 or 4 pieces over there. And then I've just reorganized the cupboard. As you can see, there's a huge difference. It's almost 50% lesser. And I already feel like there's so much more space in my cupboard, so much more purpose behind the clothes that I actually have in my closet. And as you can see, it's actually darker in here, so I've just turned on the light. This actually took me about 3 hours and the sun has set. I just counted, I'm at around 54 pieces in total, and coming from around 124 earlier, I think, to 50, that is huge. And I'm hoping to be able to cut that down even more so I can fit everything I have or everything that I want to wear when I'm traveling in my backpack and be able to move completely free on the road. I hope you guys like this video, and let me know down below how many pieces of clothes do you guys actually have in your closet. I'd love to know. And guys, the video is not done yet, so this is just part 1, and I'm gonna make a part 2 on how I'm actually gonna be donating these clothes. So stick around and it's gonna be amazing. I hope to see you guys there. See you guys next time. Bye bye.